Hello Jake, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2011 Subaru WRX STI. Here's the price, and it's 24,188 plus HST and licensing. This vehicle comes fully certified. It's in great condition. It's a 6-speed manual transmission, black interior, heated seats, power windows, power locks, tinted windows as you see here. The rims been reconditioned, actually they've been repainted or powder coated, and they are like brand new. There was some car brush, so it's perfect right now. It comes with winter tires, huge spoiler. There is a NVIDIA exhaust on it. It's a full system exhaust from the turbo. And I'm gonna show you some more stuff here. And here we go. So it has an engine cold air intake, and I don't know if you see something in here, but the turbo is a little bit bigger as well. It's upgraded, and there was a sign somewhere I saw for the exhaust that it's NVIDIA. So yeah, the vehicle again comes fully certified. The oil change is done, everything is done. The vehicle is ready to go. The price unfortunately is firm. Regarding your payments, if you're planning to finance it, please do the application. You can apply online to find out what will be your rates and the payments as well. It depends on your credit and depends on the term you go. If you have any other questions regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.